All right, a short little video to kind of make sure that you understand the work that I need to see for this. Make sure you do your work on notebook paper. So if I'm doing this question here, first thing is write this down on your notebook paper. And then remember when we do our order of operations, our order is this. First thing we always have to do is take care of parentheses. After you've done parentheses, then we take care of our exponents. Once we take care of our exponents, then we're going to multiply or divide from left to right. So if we have multiplication and division in the same line, we do the one on the left first. And the last thing we ever do is add or subtract. And once again, if there's both of them in there, then we do them from left to right. All right, so if I am doing the first question, hold on, I just want to erase this little piece here so it's not in there. So remember, you're going to write this on your notebook paper. And then, so let's see, first of all, I have no parentheses to work inside of on here. I don't have any exponents, so now I go through and I do my multiplication or division. Notice I have multiplication here and I have multiplication here. So I'm going to do 12 times 5 is going to give me 60. 3 times 20 is going to give me 60 also. So notice I like to underline what I'm doing, so it just keeps track of what I'm doing. I put the answer underneath it, and then I drop down everything else I haven't done yet. So I'm going to drop down my minus sign. All right, well, 60 minus 60 is 0. So this is the work that I should see on your notebook paper. For this one, we're going to go through the same process. All right, you're going to write this down on your notebook paper. There's no parentheses to work inside of. There's no exponents in this problem, but there is some multiplication and division. So remember, fractions mean division. So this is a division problem, 63 divided by 7. So I have division and multiplication in this line. So I went down my order of operation until I came to what I have. Well, let's see, 63 divided by 7 is 9, and 2 times 3 is 6. So I did this, I rewrite everything I haven't used yet. So I bring down that minus sign. 9 minus 6 is 3. All right, this one, a little more complicated. All right, so first thing I look for is, do I have any parentheses? I do. I've got parentheses right here. So I need to do the work inside of the parentheses, which inside of here there are exponents. Remember, 6 squared means this. It is 6 times 6. So this gives me 36. So this piece becomes a 36 minus 4 squared. All right, remember, means 4 times 4. So that's going to be a 16. So inside my parentheses, I did this work, 36 minus now 16. And then I rewrite everything I haven't used. I haven't done anything with the division symbol, and I haven't done anything with the 5. So I just rewrite them. All right, well, let's see. Yep, I still got some work to do inside parentheses. So now I do 36 minus 16, which is 20. All right, that's that piece right there. Notice how I wrote the answer underneath, and then I drop down everything else I haven't used. Notice how this gets a little bit easier as I go down. That's why it's called simplifying. They get simpler as I go down. 20 divided by 5 is 4. All right, I'll do one more example. Once again, I go through my order of operations. I do parentheses first. So inside of this parentheses, notice I've got some subtraction going on and some exponents. So I still follow my order of operations. I'm going to do exponents before I subtract. So all I'm worrying about is this 2 to the third. So reminder, 2 to the third. That means I do 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. So I did this little piece right here. I'm rewriting everything else in the exact same order. I'm just dropping it down. This is the only thing I did right here. I wrote down this answer, and I'm rewriting everything else. This is your showing your work, and it keeps you from getting confused on where you're at. All right, order of operation. First thing, parentheses. Yep, I got some parentheses. 15 minus 8 is 7. So I'm going to do just this piece. That's my 7. And then I rewrite everything I haven't used. And now I'm just down to 6 plus 7, which is going to be 13. As you are working on this, I have written all the answers at the bottom of the worksheet. So make sure you're finding all these answers down here. If not, then you need to go back and figure out where you messed up. So this is the work I need to see on your notebook paper. I wrote it on the worksheet just because it was easier for me just to kind of show you what's going on, but this needs to be done on your notebook paper. Thank you.